This is Sebisa. So today we are going to discuss about working of 4-stroke SI engine. Since we have petrol engine, and in petrol engine spark plug is used, so there will be a spark ignition. That's why it is called spark ignition engine. Now there are four main strokes: suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. So as shown in figure first, there is a piston, engine cylinder, and in sometimes engine cylinders are equipped with engine cylinder liners, spark plug for petrol engine, and two valves, inlet valves and outlet valve. In first stroke, suction stroke, the piston will be at top dead center. Top dead center means topmost position of piston in cylinder. At suction stroke, inlet valve is open, outlet valve is closed. Fresh air fuel mixture from carburetor enters in engine cylinder from inlet valve through inlet manifold. During suction stroke, piston moves downwards from top dead center to bottom dead center, which creates vacuum inside it. Hence, the pressure inside the engine cylinder will be less than P atmospheric. So, fresh air fuel mixture can enter the engine cylinder. Throughout the suction stroke, the outlet valve remains closed. This was all about suction stroke. Now, compression stroke. At the compression stroke, the piston will be at bottom dead center and it will move upward to top dead center. As the crankshaft rotates, the piston starts moving upward and the volume inside the cylinder starts compressing. So volume decreases and compression of air fuel take place. The motion from top dead center to bottom dead center to top dead center is known as compression stroke. Now the compression stroke does not end at that. At the end of compression stroke, here the piston does not reach TDC, that means top dead center. There is a flow of current to spark plug. As if spark plug get current, it develops a voltage, or there will be a developed voltage generated. The voltage is known as breakdown voltage. At this voltage, spark is generated by spark plug. This spark plug ignites the fuel. As if fuel ignites, heat flow take place. The fuel inside start burning. So there will be heat addition at constant volume. Now another stroke, expansion stroke or power stroke. In power stroke, we know that the piston was at top dead center. Fuel ignited and the air fuel mixture gases start burning. These strong and hot gases pushes the piston at downward, means piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. Note, while suction stroke, compression stroke, we are giving power to piston to move top dead center to bottom that BDC or BDC to TDC. But in expansion stroke or power stroke, combustible gas or burn gases pushes the piston, so here power is developed. So this stroke is known as power stroke. And in 4-stroke, crank revolution take 2 cycles, means for each stroke there will be revolution of 180 degree. Okay, now as the piston was at bottom dead center in the end of power stroke, at the end of expansion stroke, the piston will be at bottom dead center. The pressure inside this engine cylinder will be more than the atmospheric pressure. Because of that, outlet valves open. So the hot gases, high pressure gases, due to this difference, outward pressure difference and inlet pressure difference, more amount of or somewhat heat rejection takes place. About 90 to 95% gases leaves the engine cylinder during heat rejection. Not only that, at the exhaust stroke, after the heat rejection, the piston moves BDC to TDC. Here we are giving power to piston for its movement. The remaining gases are removed by piston from the engine cylinder. Okay, the process of removing exhaust gases from engine cylinder is known as scavenging processes. Scavenging. Now, what happens when the piston does not touch to the top of the cylinder? Because in SI engine, as a compression stroke, we know that in compression stroke fuel is ignited by the spark plug, but if it does not give any clearance volume, VC stands for clearance volume, then what happens? The fuel gets a self ignition temperature and knocking or detonation take place. To prevent knocking or detonation, we use clearance volume. Okay, at the what happens when the piston reaches to top dead center at the end of exhaust stroke? Somewhat gases remain in clearance volume. As we know that the pressure of these gases is higher than the atmospheric pressure. So again, when the suction stroke take place, firstly these exhaust gases expand, and when the pressure of these gases are equals to the atmospheric pressure, then only fresh air fuel mixture comes inside the engine cylinder and fill the space created by the engine. So what happens in second cycle, actual volume of actual air fuel come inside the engine cylinder will be less than desired one, and the desired one is a stroke length, stroke volume. Okay, this is how our IC engine 4-stroke SI engine works.